Okay, so now I'm on the projects tab, and you can see that the estimate button is still here. So we'll go ahead and click that. So the first thing that you're going to do is put the customer's name in. So we'll just call this test. Now, if they don't have an email, which would be useful later on in the process, you can click none. And if you don't have a number for them, you can also click none. I'll do that now just because I don't need to make something up and just shove it in there. So I'll click none. You can put a company name in if you'd like. Let's name this also. We'll name him Sam. Oh, this is a project name. Typically on like a residential project you won't put that. That would be more if you have a client who's a general contractor or an engineer that have several projects for you. You can name the projects out like that. The billing address, we'll just put 123 Lift Street. You'll pick a city. Our corporate office is in American Fork, so we'll put Fork there. We're in Utah. And 84003. Now this button's kind of cool down here. It says location address same as billing address. The nice thing about that, and what can be useful, is say you're doing a project for a property manager and we're going to go do the project. It's located in, say, American Fork like it is here, but you're going to bill the property manager for the work. So you can uncheck this, and this is where the invoice will go, but this is where the actual project is in America. So we'll bill them in American Fork, but say the project's in Salt Lake City, we would fill this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that because my billing address is the same as the job address. So then you're going to want to put some notes in here. Now, you want to be careful because these are customer notes and it appears on all of your documents. So you're going to put lift front walkway and driveway. Now, in the notes that you don't want on all of the documents, you might put gate. These are just internal notes. Gate code. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, or something like that. Or you could put the dog is really mean. Watch out. Something like that you don't necessarily want the customer to see, but you need to communicate back and forth internally. Source, you want to pick a source. We run different magazines. We do different home shows. We've got internet. You really want to track that. There's some really good reporting in this software, and you want to make sure you pick a source for later. And then just put who's going to be doing the estimate. So if it's Rachel or Charlene, whoever your estimator is, you want to put that. So I'm Troy. I'm just going to go ahead and put that there, and then you just click Create Estimate. And that takes you into the estimate page. You can see up here, this is an estimate, and that's what the estimator is going to use to create the estimate.